Hey y'all, Happy New Year.
So good right now. So chicken, cuz. Let me taste some of that vegetable. Meat is in there.
I gotta get Big Bird. What's up, Big Bird? What's up?
So yummy. What's the green
Bird,
thing, man?
tell them about them food, Bird.
Oh,
Tell them about our
It
food.
looks delicious. Oh, it looks so good right now. So yummy. What is that? Celery?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
celery
it looks
in there.
Carrots in there too?
Oh yeah.
What kind of meat is that? Lamb, chicken?
No, turkey.
Oh, no. It looks great. That's a nice pot.
Hey y'all, Happy New Year. We just finished leading up the fireworks, you guys. Now your girl's ready to eat. The kids, we are ready to eat, you guys. You already know. I was throwing down earlier with the Haitian soup, baby. You know that Soup Joumou, period. Let me show you what the Soup Joumou looking like. Child, I did a great job. It's so tasty, so flavorful, you guys. Ooh, I know y'all see that back there. Ah, y'all see that back there? I did. Be sure you guys to check out the live. Okay, it was dark, you know, but still check it out. Leave a like, you know, 2024, we're doing things different. And yeah, stay tuned for whatever we have coming this year. All right, so yeah, let's. Happy New Year, you guys. We just ate. We just had like a big bowl of the Haitian soup. Here's what happened after we ate, you guys. It was so good too, by the way. So good. 10 out of 10. Here's Big. Here's Bird. Here's our plate. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. And I love you all so much, babe. Happy New Year again. I'm going to bed. Bye, y'all. Love you all.